Today we went exploring the mouth of the Sherbrooke River near Port Campbell. I spotted something suspicious among the washed up wood and rubbish on the other side of the river. Could it be a Woodside gas decommissioning clamp? Surely not. So we've crossed the river and we're off to investigate. Up ahead there's a corner of the river where a lot of debris has accumulated, and we think that's where we saw the clamp, so that's where we're heading to. And there she is. And bingo, one Woodside clamp. Then, not one but two. The clamps had been washed into the river mouth and carried upstream by the current, finally lodging on a bend in the river.
Yeah, you can have that in your bag.
Who knows how long these clamps will keep washing ashore? So far, less than 10% of the clamps lost have been recovered.